Welcome. I'm Dr. Anya, and I'm a board-certified dermatologist. For over 30 years, I've helped women navigate the beautiful, and often complex, changes in their skin. And there is one question I am asked more than any other, especially by my patients over 60. That question is, Doctor, what is the best moisturizer for my skin? It's a simple question, but the answer is, unfortunately, buried under a mountain of marketing, misinformation, and multi-thousand taka jars that promise to be a facelift in a bottle. I am here today to tell you a truth that the billion-dollar beauty industry does not want you to know. There is no single magic cream. The most expensive moisturizer is very often not the best. In fact, that $500 jar of hope, scented with rare orchids, might be doing less for you than a $20 tube from the pharmacy. Why? Because after 60, your skin doesn't need perfume. It needs science. Before we can find the best moisturizer, we have to be brutally honest about what is happening to our skin. After 60, and particularly after menopause, we face a trifecta of change. First, you are losing your moisture factory. Your sebaceous glands, which produce your skin's natural oils, sebum, have slowed to a crawl. This is why your skin feels perpetually dry, tight, and papery. Second, you are losing your brick wall. I call this the skin's lipid barrier. Think of your skin cells as bricks. The mortar holding them together is made of lipids, primarily ceramides. After 60, your ceramide production plummets. This is a critical problem. Without this mortar, your wall becomes leaky. Water escapes, we call this a transepidermal water loss, and irritants get in. This is why your skin is suddenly so sensitive, red, and reactive. Third, you are losing your mattress. The collagen and elastin that make your skin plump and bouncy are degrading, and your body is not replacing them quickly. So, the best moisturizer for skin over 60 is not just a cream. It is a strategy. It's a strategy to hydrate, repair the barrier, and lock it all in. Today, I am going to stop you from wasting another taka. I'm going to give you the exact ingredient list to look for. This is your new shopping list. We are no longer buying hope in a jar. We are buying ingredients that work. Part 2, the 3 pillars of a true moisturizer. Let's get one thing straight. The word moisturizer is a marketing term. In dermatology, we break it down into 3 scientific categories. After 60, your product must have all 3. Pillar 1, the humectants, the water magnets. What they are, these are ingredients that attract water. They are like tiny sponges that pull moisture from the air and from the deeper layers of your skin to the surface. The star players, look for hyaluronic acid. It's famous for a reason, it can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. Also, glycerin, it's a cheap, incredibly effective, and often overlooked hero. The trap, a moisturizer that only has humectants is useless for you. On a dry day, it can actually pull water out of your skin and make you drier. It must be paired with. Pillar 2, the emollients, the surface smoothers. What they are, these are the feel-good ingredients. They are lipids and oils that fill in the cracks between skin cells, making your skin feel soft, smooth, and flexible. The star players, look for shea butter, cocoa butter, squalane, which mimics your skin's natural oil, and jojoba oil. The trap, emollients make your skin feel good, but they don't necessarily repair the barrier. They're like a temporary patch. To truly fix the problem, you need. Pillar 3, the occlusives, the barrier shields. What they are, this is the most important pillar for you. These are the ingredients that create a physical, protective seal on your skin. They are the saran wrap that locks in the humectants and emollients and, most importantly, stops water from escaping. The star players. The undisputed king is petrolatum, yes, Vaseline. It is 99% occlusive. Nothing locks in moisture better. Dimethicone, a silicone, is more cosmetically elegant. It seals moisture in but feels silky, not greasy. And the repair ingredient, ceramides. This brings me to the holy trinity of ingredients. Forget the brand names. This is all that matters. Part 3, the Holy Trinity, the 3 ingredients your moisturizer must have. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember these 3 ingredients. Your face cream, your eye cream, your body cream, they all need this. Ingredient number 1, ceramides, the barrier repair. Why, as I said, ceramides are the mortar in your skin's brick wall. You've lost them. You need to put them back. Period. What it does, applying ceramides topically is like regrouting the tiles in your bathroom. It repairs the leaky barrier. It stops water loss. It stops irritants from getting in. This is what will take your skin from red, flaky, and angry to calm, smooth, and comfortable. What to look for, on the label, look for ceramide AP, ceramide EOP, or ceramide NP. Or look for products that are barrier repair creams. You don't need to spend a lot. Brands like CeraVe, La Roche-Posay, and Vanicream have built their entire empires on this single, essential ingredient. Ingredient number 2, hyaluronic acid, the plumping sponge. Why, your skin's natural production of hyaluronic acid has also decreased, leading to that deflated look. What it does, this is your hydration powerhouse. It plumps the skin from the inside out, which can temporarily soften the look of fine lines and crepey texture. It gives your skin that dewy, quenched look. How to use it, a great moisturizer will have this in it. But an advanced tip? Apply a separate hyaluronic acid serum to damp skin, and then immediately put your ceramide moisturizer on top to lock it all in. Ingredient number 3, peptides, the collagen messengers. Why, this is the anti-aging part of your moisturizer. This is the active ingredient. What it does, peptides are chains of amino acids that act like tiny text messages. They tell your skin's fibroblast cells to wake up and start building new collagen and elastin. What to look for, this is where you might spend a little more money. Look for a palmitoyl tripeptide of 5 or rimitrixyl, which is a brand name for a peptide complex. A moisturizer with peptides and ceramides is the perfect daily cream. It is repairing your barrier while also sending signals to rebuild what's underneath. A special note, the superstar you need, but it's not a moisturizer. Now, there is one ingredient that is more powerful than all of these combined. That is a retinoid, like retinol or tretinoin. Retinoids are the only thing scientifically proven to stimulate new collagen synthesis. They are the builders. However, a retinoid is a treatment, not a moisturizer. You use it at night, before your moisturizer. For skin over 60, retinoids can be very irritating. This is where the sandwich method is a lifesaver. Apply a simple ceramide moisturizer, your buffer. Wait 10 minutes. Apply a pea-sized amount of your retinol. Apply another layer of your moisturizer on top. This sandwich allows the retinol to work while protecting your delicate barrier from irritation. Part 4, your new dermatologist-approved routine. So, what is the best moisturizer? It's a moisturizing system. Here is your new, ideal routine. Your morning routine, goal, protect and hydrate. Step 1, cleanse. Do not use a harsh, foaming cleanser. It's stripping your skin. Use a gentle, hydrating cream cleanser, or just rinse with lukewarm water. Step 2, Vitamin C Serum. This is your antioxidant shield. It protects you from sun damage and age spots during the day. Step 3, your Holy Trinity Moisturizer. Apply your cream that contains peptides, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. Step 4, Sunscreen, the true anti-aging cream. This is the most important anti-aging product in the world. If you do all of the above and do not wear a broad-spectrum, mineral-based, zinc oxide, SPF 30 or 50, you are wasting every taka. The sun is the #1 cause of wrinkles and thinning skin. Your moisturizer protects you, your sunscreen defends you. Your nighttime routine, goal, repair and restore. Step 1, cleanse. Use a gentle, hydrating cleanser to wash off the day. Step 2, treatment. This is your active step. Night A, the builder. Apply your retinoid using the sandwich method. Night B, the repair. Skip the retinoid. On this night, you focus only on repair. Use a peptide serum or just go straight to your night cream. Step 3, your night cream. This should be your richest, thickest cream. This is where you can use a heavy-duty ceramide and shea butter cream. Pro tip, slugging. If you are extremely dry, especially in the winter, this is your secret weapon. After your entire routine, take a pea-sized amount of a pure occlusive like Vaseline, Aquaphor, or CeraVe healing ointment, and gently pat it all over your face as the very last step. You will wake up looking like you just had a $500 facial. You are locking everything in. Part 5, conclusion. Stop buying hype. Start buying ingredients. Music swells to a warm, empowering, conclusive theme. So, what is the best moisturizer for skin over 60? It is not a $500 cream from a department store. It is not a single magic bottle. The best moisturizer is a ceramide-rich barrier repair cream that calms your skin. It is a peptide-packed formula that signals your skin to rebuild. It is a hyaluronic acid serum that pulls in water. And it is a retinoid at night, sandwiched for safety. It is a system. When you go shopping, ignore the front of the bottle. Ignore the celebrity endorsements. Ignore the shiny box. Turn the bottle around. Read the ingredient list. Look for ceramides. Look for hyaluronic acid. Look for peptides. Look for shea butter. And in the morning, finish with zinc oxide. Your skin after 60 is not a problem to be solved. It is a canvas that has new, more sophisticated needs. It needs protection. It needs repair. And it needs to be treated with gentle, scientific, and loving care. You don't need a hope in a jar. You need science in a tube. And now, you know exactly what to look for.